Manly's birthday.
Manly's birthday.
We already had cake. He wants to play mini golf for his birthday. And when it was Jonah's birthday, just a little over a week ago, he wanted to do the mountain coaster, but they weren't open because of the weather. So
when you have
we're doing mountain coaster too.
It's a birthday every month.
Every month for 7 months at least. Here we are. Which color did you pick, Manny? Orange? Okay. Sissy's getting pink. Jonah's getting blue. Let's see, Manny. You probably need this size, I think.
Which one?
Here, try this one. Is that good for you?
Yeah.
Let the adventure begin.
Manny, are you going to do this one? Come up here. Okay. Jonah got a hole in 3.
I want to do the big one from last year. I want to do the big kid one.
He wants to do the big one from last year. We'll get to that one in a minute. You got to go all the way around here.
We're fixing to play golf like Sinbad. Let's go. Get in the golf cart and let's roll. Somebody needs a Tic Tac.
Oh, there's some fish?
Right there?
They're just little bitty, little minnows.
Mm-hmm.
I said minnows, but really we'd say them minnows.
Yeah.
Mommy, you did it. No. Folks, I was not videoing. I was sitting here talking to Fallon, and he hit a hole in 1.
Go get it.
Son, give me 5 right here, baby. I'm sorry, Daddy was sitting there talking to Mother.
He was talking about what we were going to eat.
I was talking about where we were going to eat. Oh, yeah, he's showing us where the hole is.
Okay. Manly, run away. Oh, Sissy got a hole in 1, Daddy. I did it.
You did it, Manny?
Yeah, look inside of the hole.
You did?
Let me show you. It's my number.
It's your number? No, you're 5. You'll be 6 next year. Don't rush it, boy.
That's pretty.
Yeah, it is.
When you finish playing mini golf here, you go this way to the ice cream parlor.
And they do got some good ice cream.
Yeah. And there's a nice little place you can sit right here.
Just relax. If you don't want ice cream at the moment, if you'll wait long enough, you'll want it.
Yeah. We got this for Jonah from the Moon Pie General Store.
See if you can do a skeeter bite.
This is kind of confusing.
It is. When I got it apart earlier, it was really just by complete...
Accident?
Yeah.
How did it... Wait, I missed it.
I missed it too.
Well, don't fear. I did it right before you. There's a little twist that you do there, and if you just hold your mouth right, it will absolutely happen. And if you're not holding your mouth right, Sissy knows this, it won't happen. Your mouth ain't open. There it is. See there? Look, there it is. That's the mouth right there. It's up. Probably around here is about 4, maybe 5 more weeks.
Okay.
And they'll be
Is it
changing.
still my birthday?
It is.
Yes, it's still your birthday, boy.
Oh.
Around here, 4 or 5 more weeks.
He focuses a lot on the leaves, y'all.
I'm gonna let you know about
There's
it.
a lot of leaf focus.
I'll let you know about them leaves.
He said, why does McDonald's have to smell so good, Sissy? Just sniff that air.
When Daddy and them get here, we're gonna run over and take these kids to the mountain coaster.
Okay, y'all, me and Sissy and Manly are sitting right here in front of the Leathergood Store. We're waiting on everybody to get over here. Jake's meeting us here. Titus went to park the van somewhere else, and I think and Jonah went with him. Everybody else went to get Sam's belt buckle because he's getting a belt in here.
I want to go to the fun shop and the candy store.
Okay, well, they're the same.
Oh.
Tyler's going to get the horses because they have to leave at 3 o'clock in the morning. Everybody's been asking about Jake. Y'all are about to get to see him. He has not disappeared. Right here is where they were filming at first for Hallmark several years ago. I can't even remember how many years ago it's been. They filmed a movie for Hallmark right here, but then Lifetime ended up buying it. It was something about the Christmas note or the Christmas letter or something. I can't remember exactly, but me and Titus came up here and watched them filming it a little bit. Here comes Jake. Everybody thinks she disappeared.
Mama, is this called?
No, it's like jelly beans. That's the popcorn flavored ones. These are gummies. Or they got chocolate covered marshmallow. That's what Cece said she wants.
I want these, Mama.
Alright, y'all. Monday has arrived. We're making the Raisin Oatmeal on the breakfast plan. We already made the oat cakes. We made the fall breakfast sandwiches. We didn't make the breakfast casserole. We'll make that tomorrow. This morning, we're doing the Raisin Oatmeal. I'm gonna call it Cinnamon Raisin Oatmeal though, because cinnamon goes in here too. I finally got a Flapjack's pancake cabin mug, y'all. I saw one at an antique store several months back when we were doing the stuff out there on the back porch. When we got home last night, I was really sleepy and I had a crazy headache, so I didn't prep my breakfast stuff for this morning. Titus already made bacon and eggs earlier because they had to get up at like 3 o'clock, you know. I did wake up with them, but I didn't make the breakfast. He made the bacon and eggs. We're putting in 2 3/4 of a cup of milk. But yeah, I wasn't for sure what I was gonna make, so I just went on to bed. That's okay, this won't take long to, I just put way more milk in there. It's supposed to be 2 3/4 of a cup of water, 1 cup of milk. So we will pour some of this milk out. It's Monday. I'm only gonna pour 1 cup out, so we'll have 1 3/4 of a cup of milk, and we'll do 2 cups of water. The birthday celebrations are done now until around the end of November. Right around Thanksgiving actually is the next birthday. We call our birthdays birthday season because everybody's birthday except Audra's is in order by the months. We have a birthday in September, October, November, December, January, and February. And then hers is in June. We'll go ahead and start bringing that to a simmer. We have a little bit of bacon left over here. Somebody might want that with their oatmeal. Mainly still asleep. It is a little chilly here in the morning, y'all. That's why I am wearing the sweater. I'll probably change later in the day, but in the mornings it's pretty chilly. We need 2 3/4 of a cup of old-fashioned oats. We need brown sugar and cinnamon and a little bit of ginger. Stir in the oats real quick. And we're going with 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. I'm just gonna eyeball it. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And about 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground ginger. Half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, we put in about 1/2 cup of raisins. And now I'm going to put in a few pecans. I'm just going to break them up as I put them in. Okay, we'll turn it all the way down to low and we'll just let this simmer for about 2 or 3 minutes. And that's it. Yummy cinnamon raisin oatmeal. Cinnamon raisin nut oatmeal.